What's going on, everybody? Josh here with Scrapyard Films, and today I'm going to announce my June giveaway. Back in April, I gave away a full copy of Vegas Pro 17, and this month I'm going to be giving away a full copy of Vegas Movie Studio 17. Movie Studio is the perfect editing software for beginner and intermediate vloggers, gamers, and hobbyists. So if you want to win, it's actually extremely easy. All you got to do is show up to the live stream on June 27th, which is a Saturday. I'm going to be hosting the live stream at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, so Google that for the differences for where you live. Also supporting Scrappers that our patrons will have their own exclusive giveaway for video games and Vegas plugins. So if you're interested in supporting the channel, you can do it for $1 a month and you get a ton of benefits I will link in the description below. And then after 1 hour, I'm going to give away Vegas Movie Studio to whoever's in the chat. To be eligible to win, you just have to be present at the live stream and say, hey, I want to win Movie Studio 17 right at that hour mark. I'm going to take down names for probably 10-15 minutes. And after that, I'm just going to draw a wheel and then select a person right there. It's the easiest way to win an awesome piece of software. And usually my live streams only have like maybe 20-30 people at most there. So your chances are what? 1 in 30? That's an insanely good chance to win Movie Studio. So show up to the live stream June 27th, Saturday, 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, and you could win Movie Studio 17 or a bunch of other things too. So good luck, everybody, and I'll see y'all in a few weeks.